Jiangmen ESC Lighting Technology Limited Company is located in Jiangmen, Guangdong Province, China, established in 2014. It is an integrated company combining development, production, and sales. Our main product is ceiling fan with light, and we only focus on the business for overseas market. The company covers land area of 5,000 square meters, equipped with professional testing lab and noise testing room. We have very strict and professional quality control system to make sure each product is qualified before shipping out of the factory. After fan finished package, it will go through the third and comprehensive inspection by our QC department to make sure each fan motor work normally before shipped out. Our R&D department keep trying to design the unique and customized product by analyzing the market demand and customer spending habits. We can provide the OEM and OED service to our customer. We can provide our design for customer choice, also accept customer design to make production under the agreement. Our products have got the SAA, CE, Roche, BIS, and CB certificates. Presently, our main market focus on Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, and South America. Our company insists the principle of quality, credit, and service first. We sincerely welcome you to visit our company or contact us for cooperation.